August 9th, 2028. Astronomers in Arizona were tracking a fast-moving asteroid that had made its way between Mars and Jupiter. Then it stopped, perfectly still. I'm the host, and this is the object that stopped moving. An object caught in the lens of a telescope in the early hours of the morning on August. It was about 30 meters across and coated in something reflective. No natural rock looks like that. And for the next 3 days, it didn't move an inch. This was strange but not impossible. Plenty of asteroids have been known to sit still for months or even years before continuing on their path. Then on August 12th, something strange happened. A private satellite operator reported receiving a faint 1.9 GHz transmission from the object. They shut down their website and their data went offline the next day. Okay, so maybe you think this is just a boring story about some space nerds losing access to their favorite website. But listen, if a bunch of amateurs in Chile hadn't kept watching the object in the sky, this might have been the end of the story. They watched as it rotated slowly on its axis, and then, believe it or not, they swear it aligned one completely flat surface directly toward the Earth, like it was scanning us. Now, I don't know about you, but if something 30 meters wide was sitting still in the sky, just outside the orbit of Mars, I would probably keep watching it too. These amateur astronomers were using a backyard observatory in Santiago, Chile, and over the next few days, they tracked the object as it moved slightly closer to Earth. But then on what would be the object's 7th day in our region of space, it vanished. There was no slow fade-out, just gone in a blink. If it had accelerated, it moved faster than anything humans can build. Now, it's possible it was moving slower than the blink of an eye, and just got really far away really quickly. But either way, it was gone. So the question is, what was it? Maybe a probe, maybe something we don't want to see. The fact is, there are plenty of man-made objects in space that we don't know about. Thousands of satellites silently circle our planet, most of them without any kind of propulsion system. They just sit there silently until they fall back into the atmosphere and burn up. There are more than 128 million pieces of debris orbiting our planet. Everything from dead satellites to flecks of paint, and in some reports, even tiny spaceships from other nations. In the 5 decades we've been launching stuff into space, we haven't exactly been careful. But whatever this object was, it wasn't just some piece of space junk. Whoever put it there knew exactly where it was going and exactly when to check in. Whoever put it there knew we might find it. Maybe it was never meant to be seen. Something launched and then forgotten. But if it was watching, it knows we're here. Okay, thanks, bye.